Today I'll show you the procedure for updating the firmware of Bikeplay for BMW. So, we start the process by carefully unscrewing the small screws on the little door located just under the display. Once that is open, we can insert the SD card. Please note that it only goes in one specific way, so it is virtually impossible to get it wrong, especially if you use a small tool to help gently push it all the way in. As soon as you hear a distinct click, you know the SD card is properly inserted. With that done, we can then proceed to power up the display. Now let's go ahead and set the language for the device. What we need to do now is to enable the setting that allows us to see the micro SD. So we go into the settings, then we go to cam on off and set it to cam on. Okay. Now we disconnect the power to the display, then we proceed to power the display back up. As soon as the display turns on, it will detect the SD card and ask us to format the memory. We will tell it, okay. The procedure will take a couple of minutes. Okay, the procedure is complete. So at this point, we need to go ahead and turn off the display once again. Next, carefully remove the SD card from the unit, and then we can go ahead and insert it into your PC. Once that is done, you will find the necessary firmware update available for download directly on our website, specifically located on the support page for this multimedia display model. What we need to do is to drag the firmware into the SD card in this way here. Then we go and eject the card. Let's reinsert it into the Bikeplay. We power it up and the update process will start immediately. There will be a restart. And now the Bikeplay is ready for use. To verify the correct installation of the firmware, what we need to do is go into the settings and go to system and then version. And at this point here, we will see the same version that we put on the SD card via PC.